Are you looking for a local, professional, and affordable place for printer service and repairs? If so, you've come to the right place. Cedar 3 Technology got you covered. We're proud to be the premier local printer service and repairs company, and with our services, we can get your printer back to perfection fast, so you can work faster. We deal with inkjet printers, laser printers, dot matrix printers, and thermal printers. You can bring any printer: Epson, HP, Canon, Brother, Xerox, Ricoh, Toshiba, Konica Minolta, Samsung, OKI, or even Kyocera that has any problem, because Cedar 3 Technology always has a solution. For fast, reliable, and effective printer service and repairs, contact us or visit our workshop at 25 Birmingham Road, Benoni. Cedar 3 Technology, committed to excellence.